Good evening, gentlemen. I'm very happy to meet you in this fashion today. Probably I was a little bit late in uploading some of the videos because I had some technical difficulties, so that I'm not able to upload some explanation for our program. But I'm very happy that is you have submitted your assignments, and also you have. I believe that you are preparing well for the new topics, especially 11.1 and 11.2. And now I would like to give you some insight on chapter 11.2, section 11.2, the indefinite integral. Even though it's not very easy to give all the concepts, but I would like to give as much as possible good explanation so that you can get some idea behind each problem. When you prepare or when you listen for this video, please have the solution with you so that it will be easy to correlate with each topic and also each problem. This is the first question. This is question number 1 on page 570, which says find the integral of 7 into dx. We all know 7 is a constant. That's why we have taken outside an integral of dx. Integral of dx equal to x and plus c, which is integration constant. So this is the answer. And the next one is 5, page 570, which is integral of 5x power minus 7 into dx. 5 is a constant, so taken outside, integral of x power minus 7 into dx. So I applied the integration, basic integration formula, which is x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is minus 7. Therefore, x power minus 7 plus 1 divided by minus 7 plus 1. We know minus 7 plus 1 is minus 6. Therefore, the answer would be minus of 5 divided by 6 into x power 6. How this x power 6 this is coming? Because here it is power minus 6. When it is comes to the denominator, it will become plus 6, and this is integration constant. And this is the third sum, which is question number 10, page 570. It's also a continuation of the same topic with more functions. 7r power 5 plus 4r square plus 1 into dr. This is a sum, therefore we can easily separate these functions. 7 into r power 5, 4 into r square into dr plus integral dr. We can take the constants out. 7 is a constant and 4 is also a constant. Now we do the integration for the variables. R power 5 plus 1, r power 5 plus 1, because it's 5 and it becomes 5 plus 1. Here it is r power 2 plus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 plus r. How this r is coming? Because integral of dr is equal to r. Now we add the values and give the remaining function as it is, plus the integration constant. And the next question is which is question number 11, page 570, integral of 4 plus t into dt. Therefore, we can separate it quite easily. Integral of 4 dt plus integral of t into dt, because this dt is common for both the function. And now take the constant outside. 4 is a constant. Therefore, integral of dt plus integral t dt. Integral of dt is t, and integral of t will be, here the power is 1. Therefore, based on the formula, t x power n plus 1. Therefore, here it is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2 divided by 2. This is the answer. And the next question is 14 divided by in page number 570. Quite the same, similar question. 1 plus t square plus t power 4 plus t. Separate the functions and do the integration. We'll get the same answer. Integral of dt is t. Integral of t square will be t power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is 2. Therefore, 2 plus 1 is 3 divided by 3. Here 4 plus 1 is 5 plus 5. And 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 7 plus c, which is an integration constant. And now question number 18, page 571. X by 7 minus 3 divided by 4 into x power 4 into dx. This dx is common for both the function. Now separate it and do the integration. Integral of x by 7 into dx minus 3 x power 4 into here. Now we can take the constants outside. 1 by 7 is a constant. Here 3 by 4 is constant. Now we have to integrate x dx. We have to integrate x power 4 into dx. X dx will be x square by 2, and x power 4 is x power 5 divided by 5. Now we can multiply the denominator. 4 multiply 4 is 20. 3 x power 5 divided by 20 plus c. And that is the solution for this question. And the next question is again question number 22, page 571. Integral of x power 8.3 minus 9 into x power 6 plus 3x power minus 4 plus x power minus 3 into dx. This dx is a common and it is common for all the functions. First to separate the function and just apply the integration formula. Initially I have separated each function and taken the constants outside. Here is 9 is a constant, 9 is taken out of the integration, and 3 is a constant which is taken out of the integration. Here it is x power minus 3. Now apply the integration formula, which is basic formula, integral of x power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. So here n is 8.3, 8.3 plus 1 divided by 8.3 plus 1 minus 9 into x power 6. Here's n is 6. Therefore 6 plus 1 is 7 divided by 6 plus 1 7, and minus 4 plus 1 is minus 3 divided by minus 3, minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2 divided by minus 2. Now cancel the common term and add the values. We'll get the answer of x power 9 by 9.3 divided by 9.3 minus 9 x power 7 divided by 7 minus 1 divided by x, because here it is x power minus 3. So when you write it in the denominator, it will become 1 divided by x power 3 minus here x power minus 2. In the numerator it is x power minus 2. When it comes to the denominator, it becomes plus, and plus c, which is integration constant. The next question is question number 33, which says 1 by 12 multiple of 1 by 3 in d power x and dx. Now we can multiply with this 1 by 12 value inside, because this is a multiplication. If there is a plus, then we need to give much more concentration, but here it is a multiplication function. Therefore simply you multiply the factors, multiply the functions. 1 divided by 12 multiplied by 1 by 3, which is 1 divided by 36. 12 times of 3 into e power x and dx. And now this is a constant, take outside, an integral of e power x. We know the value for integral of e power x, which is e power x plus c. C is the integration constant. And we have two more questions to solve in this check section, which is question number 43, and which says integral of 3u plus 2 the whole power 3 into du. We cannot integrate directly, so what we do, we apply the formula a plus b the whole cube formula, which is very clearly states that a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. Now apply, instead of a, here it is u, instead of b, here it is 2. So now apply and expand it, you'll get a function, a simplified function. Now as usual, separate the function and integrate it. Take the common outside. 27 is a constant, 8 is a constant taken outside, 36 is a constant, and 54 is a constant. Now apply the integration formula, u power 3. U power n plus 1 divided by n plus 1. Here n is 3, therefore 4 plus 4. 8 into du. Integral of du is u. And here u into du, u power 1, therefore u square divided by 2. Plus here u square, therefore u cube divided by 3. Now you can cancel the common term. Here it is 36, here is 2. So it's 2 times of 18 is 36. Here it's 3, 54. 3 times of 18 is 54. So the remaining answer is 27 by 4 u power 4 plus 18 u cube plus 18 u square plus 8u plus c. Now the last question is 53. Find integral of d by dx of 1 divided by x square plus 1 dx. And antiderivative of the derivative of function is the function itself. Now here it is. This is a derivative of this integration. So now we have to find the antiderivative of this function, which when we integrate the function, the derivation will be removed. So when I remove the function derivation, we'll get the answer. This derivation will be gone and integration will be gone. We'll get the function itself, which is 1 divided by square root of x square plus 1 plus c. I know we have a lot of difficulties, but I'll try my best to explain furthermore if you need. Hopefully this will be giving much more explanation, much more help for you in this the video session. And please go through it. If you need further difficulties, you just drop a message. Already Mr. Mujtaba have dropped a message and he expressed his friend's view and his difficulties. Now it's a time for us to prepare well. Hopefully next week we may have an examination or kind of a home assessment, and we will give more details through Blackboard. So please follow the Blackboard very closely and check then and there, so that you will get the clear picture about the exam details and the pattern and the grades and also the which topic you have to study, everything. And good luck. Please drop a message and stay blessed. Thank you.